whatever.
I want to stop touching it. Stop touching it. Wait, go over here.
Hey.
Yeah, I want it to.
Yeah, you can touch it. Just keep bouncing it around, okay? Set it on your desk. Hey, set it on your desk and move it back and forth. Ready? Set it on your desk and move it back and forth.
Oh man, that is cool. Okay. It's good. Is that what?
Alexa, ready?
Oh, why's it too weird?
I told you like
dropped my cane.
Where's the surf tail? Mr. Surftail.
Hey.
It's like gazing on my knee.
Hey. So put it on your desk and slide it back and forth. See how easy it slides? Hey. That's because. Listen. Here you go. Hey. Listen. That's because it's always sublimating. It is when you set it on your desk. It's really not touching your desk much because there's a pocket of CO2 below it. And so look over here at Aurora. She's got it going. It's a hovercraft, exactly what it is. And so it moves back and forth really easy because there's this pocket of air below it.
Does it ever melt?
Listen. Listen. Hey. God, put that back over here. Remember you were sitting over there doing the computer thing? Give that back to her. Put it up on her desk. On her desk. There you go. Hey, listen. 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 Jackson.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Listen. So Andrew asked a good question, but it's totally contrary to what I just said. He said, "Does it ever melt?" Remember, there's no melting. It's not ice. It is carbon dioxide. And so, carbon dioxide, by the way, is invisible. And that which we see coming off, that is not the gas. What is that? What is that?
Coldness.
That's like the water vapor coming out of my mouth right now. There's water vapor in the air, and when you make it that cold, it becomes visible. You can't see carbon dioxide gas. It's invisible. That's one of the reasons it's dangerous, right? Right? If that were the case, Jackson, do you think I would have thrown it over there? But you know what? As far as being a sixth grader, it was a fun question. Hey, remember we talked about minimizing those questions, and I would minimize my short responses? Right? Yeah, because you put pressure on it with anything, and it'll make this sizzing sound because you're speeding up the sublimation. Because remember, pressure is always heat. Heat is always associated with pressure. Okay?
Does it melt?
Well, there are a lot of bad things that can happen to you, but one of the worst things that can possibly happen to you is get a messed up esophagus.
Oh, so you can't.
So, because they've got no replacement parts for that.
There's like restaurants.
So what do you think?
You would die.
Wait, Mr. Hill, there's like cafes and stuff where they have like Cheetos and like it has dry ice in them or something like that. And like Mr. Hill. Oh, Mr. Co.
Are you gonna do my lunch?
No.
My food colored. Whoa.
So this, go Brady.
That's the
This is not boiling. Obviously, this stuff is freezing cold. It's not boiling, right? that is sublimating fast because I put it on hot water. And that which is coming out of the top is, once again, not carbon dioxide gas. It is the condensing water vapor in the air. That's carbon dioxide gas coming off the bottom. And look. Unlike if it were boiling, all that steam would be going up, right? But look, it's going down. Because why? Because it's so cold. I can feel it on my hand, on my fingers there. It's cold, right? You know, it's 110 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. That's crazy cold, okay? So that's not a boiling effect. That is the sublimation.
Could you buy dry ice?
Where do you think he got the dry ice?
Well, I mean, you have to be a certain age.
He got it from the dry ice man.
When you walk in places at my age, nobody asks you anything. So like Pam and I were on vacation this year, we're on our bicycles, we travel great distance on our bicycles. We walked into the front of a hotel that we were not staying at, and we used a computer for like an hour. And of course people look at us and just think we're guests. If you walk in and do the same thing, they walk up to you and say, hey, what's up? So I don't know what happens if you walk in and try to buy dry ice. I really don't know. I don't.
Does it cost a lot?
I don't know. You know,
Yes, it is.
No, it's not so.
Pam doesn't let me have much money, and you know she lets me have the money for this.
Olive oil feels weird.
Feels nice.
Is it cold even with the glove on?
If you hold it for a moment, it's really cold, you know? You saw that. It's cold.
It burns.
Oh! Someone grab that.
Where is
What
it?
did I do, miss?
It's on the ground.
Did I miss?
Oh, there's one. I don't want to pick it up. I'm scared to pick it up.
There's two right there. Oh, that's what
Oh!
Damn, you gotta be
I want to touch the bubbles.
Hey,
Use your sleeve. I don't want to get
walk up from that side, no, doing that side, and come through and grab some of those bubbles and keep walking. Keep walking.
Oh my god.
Whoa, that's hot.
Yeah.
Keep
That
going.
wasn't hot.
I don't want to touch it.
It isn't
Keep
hot.
walking.
It doesn't
Keep
burn.
walking. Grace, keep
It's
walking.
so weird.
Oh, geez.
Oh, God.
I'm trying.
Oh, can I smoke?
What?
I'm terrified of that stuff.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this dry ice.
Keep walking.
I already know what's going to like.
Ah, that feels so weird. Wait.
It felt weird.
Hey, Tiffany, here. My
Let
friend.
me get scooped.
Kobe doesn't feel weird.
I got squeezed.
Kobe, keep going. Kobe, go.
It's so cool.
Oh my gosh, it's like warm and cold.
How did that reaction go?
Oh, yeah, give me a big one. Can I eat it?
Do it.
Damn, we get in there with look.
It's gonna taste like soap.
Meow.
Don't eat it. If you ate that, you're done.
In hand.
Oh, look. Excuse me, Paige. Hello.
Keep walking.
It's like this here.
Like, bro, I didn't get a huge.
Oh, man, it only lasts for like the first try, guys.
Oh, I can pop it.
First try. No, like.
We're ready to get a jump. Oh my god.
It's live.
It's every day.
Quiero mucho.
Can we put coloring?
Where's our dry ice, Sammy? Where's ours?
I gave it to them because I was.
That failed. I want to smoke that.
Mr. Serpico? Mr. Serpico?
Oh, yeah.
Aurora's dry ice is smaller. Oh, cool, you actually got the tattoo.
Hold it. Record it.
Hey, would you like some bubbles, mate?
Hello, Governor. Hello, Governor.
Yeah, eat it. Eat it.
Don't eat it.
No. What are you gonna do? Did you seriously eat it? Yeah. Give me some.
Look how big and then I'll just eat it.
You're gonna eat it? Don't do that.
It just looks so.
What is wrong with you?
He put dry ice in there. It's not good for you. They ate the.
Hey, Mr. Serpent.
They're gonna have a messed up esophagus.
I could have given you my pen.
Yeah, that's
you
not
eat
good.
pure dry ice.
Eat more, Amanda.
I eat pure dry ice.
I dare you.
Amanda, do it.
No, man. Naomi, don't eat that. I'm not. Oh my god.
That's cold.
Stop eating.
No, because then my friends aren't gonna like you. They don't like you.
Oh, well, it's not there. Oh, gosh.
Thanks.
I'm thinking about that. Adopted.
Would you get her the history?
Mine was
Yeah.
Well, wait, is this not elementary stuff or something?
Pascal.
Birthday.
I know your birthday.
Oh, I know what it is. I wrote it down. 10/14/04. Now I have to change my password.
Why? How do you spell?
No, that one day in PE, and you said it's my birthday. I literally asked everybody at the table. Finally,
No one has
because you
mine.
said 14, and then I didn't know if it was October or September. How? I've been scratching this for so long. I started to bleed.
What, that?
Let me see it.
See.
She said,
Oh, that scared the living crap out of me.
For hockey?
Yeah, why do you think if I don't hear this, then I'm not waking up.
Yeah, like the big one.
It's 8:45 right now.
Do they use dry ice for hockey?
Hey, thanks.
Maybe.
I'm on a table.
Air hockey's on a table.
Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, y'all both.
wait, who represent this?
No, like coffee on
I don't have it.
Yes.
Yeah,
If you
I
wanna
dare
die.
you. You can make ice cream with it.
I
I will say sure. Yeah, make some ice cream with it.
Yeah. That's neat.
Oh, yes.
It's coming out.
Listen, hey, there's like a,
That explodes.
listen, there's like a, close to 1,000 to 1,
Take a picture.
listen,
Yeah, I'm scared.
there's close to like 1,000 to 1 size difference in the solid and the gas. You know, these pieces, they're tiny. One of these small pieces, are you listening?
We have 15 minutes left.
One of these small pieces would completely fill one of those big 2-liter bottles with gas, right?